Since I won last episodes on ABC Wipeout, Matt Kunitz wants me to be on there again. He's the creator of the show, Matt Kunitz. So I'm gonna go on ABC's Wipeout again, and it's raining too, so I have to do Wipeout in the rain. So yeah, Wipeout. We're doing Wipeout again. It's the second episode. So I finished the first episode that I was on. I'm coming back. Okay. I need to get filmed though while I do this. It's thundering outside. I need to do this quick. Those are the obstacles, and if it gets I think the qualifier might get delayed. This is the qualifier, and it doesn't really look like the qualifier because it's kind of dark outside from the rain. I was just in there, but for me to do the obstacle. I'm gonna do the qualifier. Okay. First, I'm gonna do this. First, I'm gonna do the donut pool. First, I need to do the donut hole, so the donut hole is going to be the first obstacle. Ready?
Get on the top and do it.
I did it. I did that obstacle. I finished that. I made success there. Now, I'm going to have to make it onto the finish line while standing on this, and it is raining too. So go under go into the door. I don't want to get the camera wet. It's raining.
Calm down.
It is raining. Try to not let the camera get wet.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
Good for rain. No.
Hurry up.
Okay.
It's not getting wet.
I completed that.
Hey, success! Wow!
The bowls.
Okay, now we gotta stop filming because it's gonna get wet.
No. One last obstacle.
It's a tough racket, Johnny, especially since the Cooties outbreak of '06. Shannon's help.
Just go under the house.
Hurry up! Don't talk to me.
Just go under the house.
Don't talk to me. You're ruining your video by talking to me.